Good morning, everyone. Children, today we will revise the topic bacteria in the chapter microorganism. You know, bacteria are the simplest and the most abundant of all the microbes. Here is the picture of a bacterium cell. Bacteria are unicellular and prokaryotic. A bacteria cell varies from zero point 0.2 to 100 micrometer or microns in the size. If we talk about the structure of a bacterium cell, it has a rigid cell wall which is surrounded by a protein covering called the capsule. Nuclear material in a bacteria cell is not bound by a nuclear membrane, but it found scattered in the cytoplasm. It has fimbriae which are hair-like structure. They help in attaching it to a surface. Some bacteria may have whip-like locomotory surfaces like flagella or cilia instead. Bacteria are of mainly 4 different shapes, like round shaped bacteria called coccus, rod shaped bacteria is bacillus, coma shaped bacteria is vibrio, spiral shaped bacteria is spirillum. Now the nutrition and growth of bacteria. Some bacteria are autotrophic, that they can make their own food. Other are show anaerobic saprozoic and parasitic. Some bacteria show aerobic respiration, that is they respire in the presence of oxygen. Others show anaerobic respiration, that is they respire in the absence of oxygen. The most common method of reproduction is binary fission, in which one cell divides and give rise to new cells. Now cyanobacteria, it is a blue-green algae, occurs naturally in habitats such as rivers, lake, dump soil, tree, trunk, hot spring and snow. They can vary considerably in shape, color and size. Now some useful bacteria. Bacteria help in making curd and cheese from milk. Have you said curd? A small amount of curd is added to warm milk and left for a few hours and the curd is set. The little curd that you add has bacteria Lactobacillus acidophilus. These bacteria grow in warmth and turn milk into curd. This is an example of culturing of microbes. Curd is formed when a protein called casein present in milk coagulate and form a solid mass with the help of this bacterium. Except this, Lactobacillus bacteria are also used to make pickles and cheese. Bacteria like Acetobacter oxidized ethanol to acetic acid and then help in the production of vinegar, wine and fruit juice. Bacteria play an important role in wastewater treatment. And bacteria help in digesting cellulose. Ruminants eat grass and leaf, which are mainly cellulose. Bacteria present in the stomach of these animals help in digesting the cellulose. Many well-known antibiotics such as streptomycin, chloromycetin are made from bacteria. Bacteria like rhizobium and azotobacter are very important in agriculture. Rhizobium in the root nodules of leguminous plant and azotobacter in soil turn nitrogen into nitrogenous compound which can taken in by plants. Denitrifying bacteria convert nitrogen compound to the atmospheric nitrogen in the nitrogen cycle. Bacteria help in retting of jute fibers. Bacteria are used in the tanning or processing of leather. Cyanobacteria trap nitrogen from air and change it into nitrogenous compounds. Except this, bacteria help in cleaning the environment. They decompose the dead and decaying plant and animal matter by converting them into simple substances. They convert them into manure which is useful for plants. Biogas is also produced from dead and decaying plant and animal matter by the action of bacteria. Now, these are the useful bacteria, but some bacteria are very harmful for us. Like bacteria spoil both cooked and uncooked food. Bacteria cause diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid and leprosy in human beings, citrus canker in plants and anthrax in cattle. Bacteria produce highly poisonous substances called toxins which cause disease in the living tissues. Botulism is serious kind of food poisoning caused by the bacteria Clostridium. These bacteria generally grow in improperly preserved home processed food. Souring of milk and putrefaction of meat is caused due to action of bacteria. Okay children, revise it very carefully. In next video we will discuss the algae. Goodbye everyone.